Alrighty, so I'm going to be showing you how to install FiveM admin panel. The FiveM resource is well, setting it up on our website, FiveMadminpanel.com. If you go there, you sign in through Steam. It'll redirect you using SteamAuth. It'll bring you to this page. You need to set up a community. In this case, we'll use test community. Input that. It'll automatically generate a panel. And from here, you're able to view your servers. You don't have any yet. Player data, you have everything right there. Your settings, support, and account. Yep. So basically, to set it up, once you have, at this stage, you're going to want to go to support and then downloads. You're going to want to download the newest version of the FiveM admin panel resource. We're running the new version instead of the old legacy version. So you're going to want to download that. That'll download a zip file. Save that. Open file. So we'll come back to that later. You go to settings, edit staff. You can view all your staff and whatnot. This is everyone who's on the FiveMadminpanel.com who's signed in and hasn't set up a community. So you're able to search by here, like that. You're also able to view your ranks: owner, senior admin, admin moderator, but you can change those later. So once you do that, you're going to want to go to settings and then servers. You're going to want to add your server, in this case test server, IP address. It's going to be your external IP address. In this case, we're not going to expose my IP, so we'll do something random. We'll do Google DNS, port 30120, archon password, test. So we're going to add that. We're going to let it, load, I guess. There we go. So here you can view, test server, the IP and port, and the status of the server. Right now it's offline because that server doesn't actually exist. And you can remove it right there. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to set up the resource. So you're going to go to your FiveM directory, or FiveM server directory, resources. Then you're going to drag the staff one in, open that, open your config. Here you go. This config is actually outdated. By the time people actually use this, I should have fixed that. But if not, it's just going to be FiveMadminpanel.com. This is your community ID, and to get that, I'm going to go, yep, I had it, settings, edit panel, I'm going to scroll up, and there it is. Yeah, there's no good way to select that. I'll figure that one out too. Once again, hopefully that'll be fixed. But if not, you saw how I did it already. So community ID, gonna be that. Here you have your prefix, or your chat prefix, everything like that. If you want, you can change it to your community name, such as that. You're also able to, change the ban message. These are new lines, and there's a bunch of parameters. If you check out the server.lua, you can view those in there. Right now, these two are no longer used, but they're there for future versions when they are. So that's that. We're going to save that. Open up our directory again. Go to FiveM server. And then open up your CFG, and we're going to start the staff resource. I'm going to save that and run the server. There we go. So that is now running. Anyone who connects, their data will be put into the website. If for some reason it doesn't, which it shouldn't unless maybe the community ID is wrong, which we're going to add validation later. It was a little rushed because we had to convert the whole panel basically from one community, multiple servers, to multiple communities, multiple servers, multiple everything. Which we were able to do, but it a little rushed. But we do have support tickets. Right now it's just me working on them. We're getting more people, who've used the panel in the past, and they're willing to help out and whatnot. But to enter a new ticket, you just say, hey, server broke, and then the details about it, and we'll respond. So other than that, your server is now here. It's gonna say offline right now because that server is offline. Yep, there we go. And let's see. As for other stuff, because no one's been on the server and this hasn't built up data, I can't really show that off. These will generate as you use them. Features wise, under your panel area, we're going to be adding a whole nother area for optional plugins, so you can get more data out of certain pages, stuff like that. This is all configurable right now. Join messages, chat commands, whatnot. You can have it go to a Discord channel, or change the score, how it works. I created this panel back in March of 2018. Yeah, March of 2018. And people have been using it since, but I felt that the requirements were too steep, and that there's a learning curve and an install curve and everything like that. So we created this. We don't make any money off of it. It's just kind of to help out servers. The only thing we really do is we have a database with all the information. But the only person with the database access is me. And even then, it's generally just, player information, like commends, warnings, kicks, and bans. Other than that, that's essentially it. Hopefully, people use this. If not, I'll still keep it up. EL Hosting Services is actually providing this, so, they'll keep it up for however long. Other than that, that's about all, and, yeah, have a good rest of your day.